Hey, Kai.
Hey guys,
How are you?
love you.
Are you good?
You're good.
Look what Mommy got in the mailbox today. Oh. What's that say?
Kai, Bill. Yes.
Kai got mail?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Kai, here.
Kai St. Pierre?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. See what's in there. Do you need some help? Did you get mail? Whoa. What does it say? That is so awesome. Let's see. It says, "You sure know how to brighten up a day." Oh my goodness. Thanks for all your sunshine. From Cora. Kai, that's for making a bag for Cora.
Yes.
That is so excellent. Open again. That was so fun. And open it. Open the card one more time.